Compass Rose Farms is a 40-acre farm that raises vegetables, fruit, and herbs, as well as hay and Icelandic sheep for lamb and wool. In producing those beautiful products, we've also realized that there's a huge need for education. So we have created the Dirt Rich School to teach permaculture to adults. Having Farm Tour in our community has been a great opportunity to open up the farm and the land to the people that we provide produce and other products for. It's really fun to watch kids and families interact around the livestock and also around the gardens and touching and eating and tasting food that's real and alive and right there in front of them. I think Farm Tour benefits the farms that are in participation because we get back all of the wonderful interactions with our community and just getting to meet who buys our food and get to meet who supports us. It's a beautiful thing.